And today we have this 59 Corvette fuel injection Roadster ending. And I just want to do like a quick little walk around and kind of talk about it. Chevy made nearly 10,000 of these cars, like 9,700. Only 745 of them were fuel injected models. So making this really the hot rod, top choice option. This car had 290 horsepower, and this car also still retains its original engine, the T10 transmission, and everything else about it. The prior owner prepped it for a big rally. I think it's called the Going This Sun. It's a large rally. It goes all the way up through Montana into Canada. And in doing so, wanted a car that was really performed well and looked well and did everything. He put a power steering rack and pinion system on the car. Plus, we have most of all the original parts that came off it as well. So if somebody wanted to take it back, but I tell you, after driving this one and driving other C1s, this one really performs nice, turns in so much better than the old worm gear steering. Really makes it a joy to drive. And if you're looking for a classic car for rallies and drives and something that's going to perform well, this is a great example. The Rochester fuel injection unit has been all gone through and looked after, full service tune up. I just also posted compression results on the car. The car has got perfect, 245, 250 compression all the way across the board, and very dry, no big oil leaks or anything like that on it. The tires have been refreshed, interior's been refreshed. It has a Bluetooth Kenwood hidden stereo system. It sounds really nice with hidden speakers. It's got the nice shifter. All the gauges work. It's got also additional coolant temp gauge. The top on it is fresh and looks very nice. This is just a beautiful white on silver 59. I think somebody's gonna have really a great time and lots of fun with it. Any questions, hit on the contact seller button. We're happy to arrange freight to get the car to you. And if you ever have any questions about selling your car with a 911R, also hit the contact seller button. We're happy to help out. Thanks.